so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Alright, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Mikey, and initially I wanted to record the intro before I even started the live cop, but what happened was I'm a bot and I totally forgot to press the record button on my camera. So the live cop is still there, but the intro will not be. So basically what I'm going to be going after is the reversible fleece bandana jacket that I really wanted. Like, that's the only piece I was really wanting to get. But you know, before that there was also the SACAI'S drop that happened at 7 a.m. I was up till 6. Well, I woke up at 4, went to the gym, got back here, and I waited till 7 o'clock basically till the SACAI'S dropped. And yeah, that happened and didn't turn out so good. So basically we're gonna leave off of just me copying the Supreme stuff. So make sure you guys go comment down below and just comment that, Mikey, you're a bot, what are you doing? You forgot to record your own intro, not professional, get it together. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and watch me basically stress out. So yeah.
I stay 10 toes down.
Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and it is 6:23 in the morning PST. There's a lot of things dropping today. You got the Supreme reversible bandana fleece, you got the SACAI'S, you got pretty much everything. And Palace is dropping some heat tomorrow as well. Right now what I'm doing is I'm on the Discord, and pretty much I'm just waiting for the SACAI'S to drop at 7 a.m. PST. Then the Supreme drop at 8 a.m. PST. What is happening is that the SACAI'S drop just entered. Let me enter these drawings real quick. Right now I'm doing it on my phone right now first, because at least the phone's a little bit faster. My laptop right here. Oh god, it's lagging. Oh no. Oh no. At least I entered on my phone, but oh boy, this isn't good. So since this is a drawing, it's on a time limit. You get 10 minutes to basically enter, and after that 10 minutes is done, they'll pick the winners. I pretty much did every single one of them. When it comes to the colorway, I didn't really care what colorway I got as long as I got a pair. Honestly, the anthracite looks pretty dope, but the pine greens look doper. The pine greens, in my opinion, would be a personal, but I need money before I head out, so yeah, most likely they're gonna be sold. Any single colorway would be great. So right now I'm just waiting. Though apparently the website isn't working, so I am on my phone right now. It's loading up. I'm just waiting. It ends in 10 seconds. I'm just waiting right now. Hopefully, like I said, I get either one of these. So there's like the anthracite, there's the white one, and then there's the pine green. So hopefully I get either one of these. The website isn't working, so this is why I'm on my phone. I did it from my phone and the website, but the website's like super lagging right now. So that might be an automatic L, but at least I entered on my phone so far, so it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so it looks like for the white one, your entry has not been selected, unfortunately. Alright, looks like the black one, I have not won either. And it looks like this one, I lost too. Damn. So no SACAI'S today, apparently. Don't do this right now, don't do this right now. Please, 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 please. Okay, so I don't know if I was recording that or not, so I basically did my whole intro and everything. So what I'm going for is the fleece hoodie, the fleece jacket. I'm really going for that, but right now the site's like really crucially lagging right now. Oh my god, are you kidding me? It's not loading. It's not loading. Oh no, 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 no. A minute has passed and it is still lagging like crazy. This isn't good. This is not good. Oh no. Ugh. Literally blank on my phone. My goodness. Bro, it's been a hot minute. Oh no. It ain't working, bro. Come on, I just need to get this jacket, dude. I know where it is. It's gonna be right over there. I know where it is. Come on. Oh my god. It's so bad. It's so bad right now. Oh my goodness. So basically I'm going for the fleece jacket, and if I can't get that, I'm going for the track sweatpants. I feel like everyone's gonna want those because those look, I guess, okay if that's your style. Has Supreme on the side lining on it, so I mean I guess it's cool. But I can't even access the website. I can't even access the website, dude. Oh my god. It's been 2 minutes and Oh no. Timed out? What are you talking about? Oh my goodness. Guys, it's looking bad. It's looking so bad right now. As soon as I enter the website, it's going to be sold out. It's immediately going to sell out. Oh my goodness. EU did say they experienced a lot of lag and it was crashing, so these bots are freaking eating right now. I know that for a fact. I can't even get in. I can't get in, guys. I can't get in. It's so bad right now. The lag is so bad. It's been 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Oh my goodness. They're sold out, bro. There's no way. They're sold out. Yup. Everybody in the freaking Discord is tripping. Oh, fuck. They both timed out? Oh my god. You gotta be fucking... I'm in on my phone. Oh, I'm in. I'm in. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come on. Black. Let's do small. Thank you.
Nope.
Oh my god, really? Okay, let's go for neutral. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. Okay, they're sold out. Alright, bet. Alright, we gotta go for the pants. I'll go for black. Alright, we got those. Fuck. Oh yeah, them hoes are gone. Like I said, bruh, as soon as I get into the website, they're gonna be gone. Alright. Accessories though. Okay, I guess I can go for these. I don't know how much. I guess 4? Let's just do 2. I don't really need that much. Oh, the pants are. Oh no. Okay. Keep shopping. Pants are gone now. So slow. They only got medium. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh. Oh my god, I'm choking fucking typing right now. Choking my typing. Oh, the pants, really? Are you kidding me, dude? Bro, you gotta be lying to me. I'm passing by. Oh my god. This is such an L, guys. This is such an L. Oh my god. I think people like yellow and black. I'm gonna get that. Medium. Didn't even save my things. It's not looking so good, guys. Oh my god. Bro, these pants are disappearing. Oh my goodness, bro. Bro, why is it not saving my shit? Okay, we're getting a processing. Come on. Don't play games. Come on. Check my shit out. All right, cool. We got it, guys. We got it. Let's how are the hoodies doing? Okay, yeah, no, they're not doing anything. Black sold out. White, black sold out, bruh. Red's still going. I don't really know if anyone's gonna get a green. I'll get a navy large. and then use a different card. Oh, they got rid of him. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna double card them because I think these are gonna go for pretty good money. They have an extra large in yellow. Red's still on? Come on, you gotta be kidding me. I don't want to get extra large though. I don't feel like that's gonna do well. I got medium red, but is that a brick? Because they're sitting. Yellow and black's pretty clean, but like extra large, I don't know if anybody's gonna get that. Let me check some. Cause I don't think people are gonna get an extra large, bro. Sweat. Sweatpants. Stew red. Not yet. Damn, it's already bid 400. Asked for 400. What the fuck? Let's see. Black. So I'm trying to sell for 225. Nobody sold it though yet. I just want to know what they go for. Oh, the red is selling out. Cool. Okay, cool. That's good. That's good. Green isn't. That's good also. Who's gonna get an extra large though? That's the thing. I don't. Hold on. Let me check my Discord. Yeah, they're sold out, bro. They're gone, bro. The thing that I was initially going for is already gone. Pretty sad about that. They still have some sweatpants left, but navy's gone. That's a pretty good color too. Black's gone. Green's oh. Should I get a green large? I feel like I know someone that would actually wear this. You know what? Honestly, I think this is about it. I think this is the only two I'm gonna go for. I'm not really huge tripping right now about anything because I can't really see anything right now that's going for any. I can go on bump, I can go on grailed, see how much they're going for. Okay, it looks like they don't have it up yet for that. Well guys, I think that's all I'm really going for. There's nothing really much for me to really do because everything's pretty much sold out. The fleece hoodie, literally, like I said, literally was gonna sell out as soon as I loaded into the screen, and that's exactly what happened, unfortunately. But yeah, that's about it. Let me check the pants one more time. The yellow sold out. Navy, we got the white still. We got the red still. Of course, see, I always pick the bricks. I don't know why. I mean, if anything, if they still sit to this day, I'm just gonna cancel the order, if anything, which I should have probably got. The black and yellow looks clean, and the black looks really good, as well as the navy. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you bump that like if you want me to do more live cops for you guys. I know it looks super unprepared and super noobish, but I mean, hey, this is my first one. So comment down below and tell me what did you guys cop and tell me how was the site working for you. Was it not working? Was it bad? Was it lagging? On my end, it was lagging for the most part, but I ended up getting at least 2 things. So pretty much it. And I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Deuces.